Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out who tried unlocking your Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Who Touched My Phone. Just search this application. Here you will see a tons of applications, so you can download either this Who Touched My Phone, Who Unlocked Right by Midnight Dev, or you can use the similar application Who Touched My Phone by the developer Promit. So you can use either of them, but the process will remain the same. So I'll be choosing the first one. So click on install if you have not installed it earlier. Wait for a few seconds until the installation gets complete. So once the installation is done, you can see you're open. Just tap on open. On opening the application for the first time, you will get this kind of message. Just tap on next, tap on next, tap on next, tap on next. Now click on finish. Now here you can see a button, as you can see here, a button. So you need to turn on this. So below you can see a message, access the camera. Click OK, click allow. Now you can see below, click OK again. Now just turn on this option. Now move back. Now click OK once again. Now here you need to choose the application, as you can see here, Who Touched My Phone applications, and just turn on this permit uses access. Now hit back. Now you're good to go. Now you can see here the switch button has turned to green. Now let's try. Say I'll just try to lock my phone, so I'll just keep on the table, right? I'll just keep on the table, and suppose someone came and just try to unlock. Okay, just try to unlock. So let's try to unlock. So we'll see if it finds out who have unlocked our smartphone. Now let's find out, suppose who have tried to unlock just few minutes before our smartphone. So you can see here some notifications, protection is enabled. So just move to the application. We'll try to find out who have touched our phone. Check all the options, as you can see here, who try to unlock our devices. So in this way you can find out who tried to unlock your Android smartphones very easily using this free of cost application. So this is gonna very useful if you have a lot of people who try to sneak peek your mobile or try to unlock your mobile devices without your knowledge. Then this application will gonna help you, and it will let you know that who tried to unlock your smartphone by capturing their faces or whatsoever. So using these cool applications, you can easily find out who tried unlocking your Android smartphone. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.